Someone in ancient Egypt had already figured out how to build a steam engine nearly 2,000 years before James Watt. And we burned the blueprints. The Library of Alexandria wasn't just a big building full of scrolls. It was humanity's first real attempt to collect every piece of knowledge ever written down, up to 700,000 works at its peak, covering mathematics, medicine, astronomy, philosophy, pulled in from Greece, Egypt, Persia, Mesopotamia. It was a research institute, a university, and an archive all in one place. And what was inside? Eratosthenes used it to calculate the circumference of the Earth with stunning accuracy in the 3rd century BC. A scholar named Heron of Alexandria engineered a primitive steam turbine called the Aeolipile, a spinning metal device powered by steam. We're talking jet propulsion principles, 1,700 years early. There was also the Antikythera mechanism, a hand-powered analog computer that could predict eclipses and planetary positions decades in advance. Nothing that complex wouldn't be built again for another 1,400 years. Here's the question that keeps historians up at night: if the library had survived intact, do you think we'd already be a spacefaring civilization, or would something else have slowed us down anyway? But here's the twist that most people miss: the library didn't die in one dramatic fire. It was a slow death. Caesar's campaign singed nearby warehouses. Neglect, underfunding, and religious conflict eroded it over centuries. By the time Arabic scholars began translating surviving Greek texts in the 9th century, what remained was brilliant, but fractured. Pieces of a puzzle with half the pieces missing. Think about what that actually means. The knowledge to industrialize, to build mechanical computers, to understand the cosmos, it existed. Then the institutions holding it collapsed, and humanity had to start over. That's not just a history lesson. That's a warning. Follow Brain Nourishment so you never miss a story like this one.